everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anna Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and it is time for another paper perk. We are already at paper perk number 47, and we are continuing the autumn theme that we started last week with our let me grab it, with our fold out pocket with the corresponding tags. So this is what we did last week. Fold it like this. It can fold an accordion. It's really cool. So this is what we did last week. We are continuing with the same theme, and today I have for you a pocket with a tag and a little tab here, and I put this. You can leave it like this, or you can cut it out and create a window, which is, I think, what I'm going to do. So, and you have all the pumpkins, of course, and I have added the pumpkin patch, and this corresponds with the words and autumn words and phrases that I have on the Ko-fi shop that you can go ahead and grab. So this, of course, matches the entire theme as well. You have really nice words and phrases there that you can cut out and use in your journal, your autumn journal, your cards, your scrapbook pages, whatever you want. This will also be great for a recipe because of the pumpkins. You can write a recipe for a pumpkin pie or any other dish that has pumpkin or an autumn flavor to it. It can be great to send in a happy mail, or, like I said, in a cooking journal that you're making. This is really versatile. So I'm going to cut everything and be back to show you what to make. Okay, so I've cut everything. Let's put this aside for a minute. So I want to show you how to make the pocket. So we have here the tab that we're going to use to attach the sides. And for the bottom, I didn't make a tab. We're just going to put a little bit of glue. So first we are going to score where we need to fold, which is here on the edge of the pattern. And then here you see where one design ends and the other begins. This is where you are going to score. And then, of course, you want to ink all the edges. Now it's up to you if you want to cut out this window. I'm going to. So for that, you can do it with scissors. I like to do it with a craft knife. It's much easier along the straight lines to work with a ruler. And then you have really nice and crisp edges, but you can of course do it with scissors if you feel more comfortable. Okay, so let's ink the edge here as well. Basically, I want to hide all the white paper. I didn't print anything on the other side, so we have that. Now we can go ahead and fold it and ink. We don't need this anymore. So we want to make sure that when we fold this, it fits here. This is how it's going to be. So what we're going to do is like this, but you see this is a little bit too wide, so no worries, we're just going to make it a little smaller. This piece is just for gluing. Okay, so we want to ink the edges here in the back, because this can be a floating pocket. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to apply glue on this little tab and on the bottom. And then we're going to glue these together. So now we have a really pretty pocket. I'll make sure that this is glued. Now we can bring this back. This fits here perfectly. So I want to insert this all the way towards the inside, like this. And then I want to add the pumpkins on the tag. So I'm going to glue them while the tag is inside. So then I can remove it, and then we'll be exactly aligned with the window. Like this. So now we can remove this and add our tab. We're going to fold the tab in half. And then ink it, the edges. Again, inking is your choice. So we are going to apply glue on both sides, because we're going to sandwich it with the little tag. Just align it with the center. Like this. And then this will go in here. What I want to do is lift this part a little bit, so when I put it inside, it will be easier, like this. So we have this, and then the pumpkin patch, we can actually add it wherever we want. We can add it here. I thought I'll bring maybe a piece of cheesecloth. That will look pretty good here. Just a little bit long. So we can add this here and have the pumpkin patch. Cheesecloth doesn't need a lot of glue, so this is slightly overlapping the top of the window. And then we can put this here, and then we have some texture, and this looks really fun. So this can be really great for, or like I said, a recipe, Happy Mail. You can add more tags in here. I really hope you like this. You can go ahead, there is a link below in the description under the video to grab this Paper Perk freebie. If you're not on the Facebook group, we're going to have, in about a few weeks, we're going to have the entire autumn Paper Perk freebies in a collection. So you can go ahead to the Ko-fi shop, it will be available there, but we still need to do next week and the week after that. And then it will be on the Ko-fi shop. So I really hope you like this freebie today. Thank you very much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new Paper Perk freebie that you can go ahead and download. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time.